I just got settled in here at Casa Iguana in Mismaloya. Look at this, folks. I'm gonna go cool off in this lovely little pool. And my room is the 4th floor on the corner up there. This is going to be awesome. So peaceful. I'm staying here for a week. And this is what I've been looking for in Mexico. Something low-key, reasonably priced, and more authentic. And here's the entrance to Casa Iguana, and it really is a lovely, peaceful retreat from the rest of the world. Very simple, 3-star hotel. Here's a children's pool, courtyard. And I'm happier here than some of the more expensive hotels I've stayed in. They have a lovely cool-off pool area, and it's long enough that you can actually swim. You can hear how it's secluded from the traffic noise when you're down below here. And at the end of the pool entrance, there is a restaurant. So here's the back courtyard behind the restaurant area. And then here's the restaurant. They have a buffet breakfast, which is reasonably priced, 150 pesos. Nicely shaded. They've got it decorated for Christmas. Wow, today is a glorious day at the hotel here in Mismaloya. It's just perfect weather. Here's a close-up of a plant right on the balcony here. The mountains in the background. Blue building is a reception area. Little children's shallow pool in the foreground. Where I spend a lot of my time. This is my sitting corner. It's been great on an upper floor, lots of breeze, away from most of the foot traffic down below. This is the 4th floor. And those are the sitting chairs, and once I put cushions on them, they're quite comfortable. So now I'm on the roof of the hotel restaurant, and this road here takes you to the corner, and there you can take a taxi or a bus. It's easily to get transport from here. A lot of local people take the bus into PV for jobs. So here's the OXXO store just outside of the hotel entrance, and up above you can see the balconies of the hotel, and they overlook the pool and the courtyard. And then just to the left there is the gateway, the entrance into the hotel, and there's always someone at the front desk. Cobblestone streets here, and once in a while quads race here. They come through doing a jungle tour through a company that offers adventure tours. Very simple village. Here's the entrance to the little school. And I heard Christmas music from my bedroom window. So there's some horses tethered in a back courtyard there. And there's the river. And they ring the bell by hand with a long rope. There's a priest standing in the lower left corner there by the church. Here's inside the church. It's a very simple, lovely church, and it's open air. And apparently this town suffered a lot during the hurricane in November 2023. It tore out trees, tore off roofs. It was very scary. I talked to one local, a Canadian who now lives here full time. He said it was very frightening. So the bougainvillea there, and then in the top veranda, people have their Christmas trees hung up. And this morning I heard the children in school singing Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. So it really is an interesting land of contrast. So I'm walking to the grocery store in town, and look at what I find. This amazing flower on the side of the street growing out of this broadleaf plant. This little girl's dressed in her Christmas outfit that she wore to school. And here's some colored apartment buildings. You have the old, and then you have the new on the left. This building looks very nice, and I know there's some newer condos here that people have purchased. This looks like a really renovated one, or newly built. And here is a hardware store plus an open air garage where they repair cars. So yesterday I saw a guy working on a car, and he has another truck parked there, so I don't know if he's there for tools or for, yeah, he's got construction material in the back, and that's a really new truck. So it's amazing. It's such a land of contrast. And now we're going to go in the tienda where those little beach toys are. So this is a cute little souvenir shop. Beach toys. This is in the middle of town, not near the beach. So it's more of a local store. Handmade items. Little purses. Hola. Hola. It's okay I take a video? Sí. Really nice little things. Really nice sun hats. I've never seen these kind before with the decorations on them. Looks like people live up in the hills there, in the jungle there. I see people walking up a path and a pathway. So I don't know, I've never walked up there, but this is right above the playground in the hills